Okay, ID, we're going to be doing activity 2.1.4. This will be part 3, and we're going to be making a bill of materials table or a BOM table. And if you've done all of the steps from part uh, 2, I think, the previous video, it's going to be very, very straightforward and simple. We should have already put in information about these individual parts inside Onshape. So all we have to do now is go up to this button up here that says BOM table. This is a bill of materials table. If you click it, it will actually have a table that you can slide out. If you're using a Chromebook, be careful and don't just overly click on stuff. It'll take a little while to load. Put it over in this top right corner, and then when you click, it will automatically populate, and it will give you all of the things that you already have. That's it. There was that was all there was to it. And if you next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some callouts inside here as well too, or bubbles. And these bubbles are going to basically tell you which part you're actually looking at. So for example, if I want to make a call out for this top one, you click once on the object itself and then you pull out, and it will automatically tell you what number of the part you have. So that one's part number 2. This one's part number 1, which would be the phone holder bottom. This one down here, make sure that you're actually clicking on a part, is part number 3. And let's go over to the other side. This would be part number 5. The shoe, part number 4. And little pivot thing, I forgot what I called it. The screw. See how that arrow goes into the circle itself? I don't really like that, so if you hit the green check mark, I'm just going to delete this one and try it again. I'm going to go back and then hit the call out button again. I really want this to be on the outer edge. I don't want it to be on the inner edge. So I'm going to do that. And then the last two down here, we'll make call outs to the left and then call outs to the right. And now we have individual numbers. Now, in real life, I don't necessarily think you have to label every single one of these unless you really want to, but the small parts you definitely want to have callouts for so that you know what kind they are. If they're different kinds of screws, knowing what type of different kind of screw you have would be really helpful in the assembly so that you know what to put together. There have been so many times that I've been putting stuff together where you would have a bill of materials, they'd tell you what everything is, but they wouldn't actually show you which parts go where. They're just like, they just assume that you know the difference between a 1/2 inch and a 3/4 inch screw going into a specific location, and it kind of gets annoying. So these callouts are super helpful whenever you're dealing with a assembly design, and the good thing with Onshape is that they're really easy to do. This is all for the video today. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk later.